This is Vic at Four Seasons. You know, I always try to stay in sync with what is going on in people's homes and gardens. And what I'm getting requests for now are people are coming in with problems with tomatoes and flowers and things. And what's the problem? And lots of times it's a little bug called Western Flower Thrip. And that's THRIP, Western Flower Thrip. And they're very, very tiny and very hard to see, but they can be destructive. They even can carry viruses so that when they feed on your tomatoes, they transmit viruses to tomato, and you can get late season and mid-season blight, as basically what that is. And it can actually destroy your plants. But they're not fun on roses or anything else. One of the ways you can figure out whether you have Western flower thrips is to take an 8.5 by 11 piece of white paper and go out to your flowers. And it can be, a coreopsis, it can be a daisy. Lots of times they don't even have to be in a flower like a rose. Sometimes they're just chewing on the foliage, okay? But it's an easy way to just tap it and look at what you have there. And if you see lots of little tiny little things moving around, and they're very small. That's why we have white papers. You can see them because you can't see them with the naked eye just looking at the flowers. But they're very, very small, and they're like cigar shaped and kind of yellowish in color, but they are not something you want to have on your flowers. On roses, they'll actually take your rose, and if your roses don't open up correctly and they kind of get black on the outside and kind of shrivel, and sometimes they'll shrivel up all the way, and that is a Western flower thrip. They get inside the rosebud while it's just forming, and they start sucking the moisture and the cell sap right out of all your flowers. So of course, we have a solution for that. And one of the best things I can tell you that you can use is a product called Captain Jack's. And Captain Jack's, this is a concentrate of Captain Jack's. It's completely organic. You can spray it on your vegetables. By the way, thrips you get on your vegetables too. Besides tomatoes, they get on cucumbers, squashes, lots of other things. And they seem to be especially bad this year. But Captain Jack's is a great organic product. It was found in an old rum factory in Puerto Rico years and years ago. So it's completely organic, and it kills two things basically. It kills flower thrips, and it kills any kind of caterpillars or crawling things that worms and caterpillars, things like that, like codling moths on your apples. This is great for that. But anyhow, if you mix this up, I'm going to suggest that when you do it, use a little bit of table sugar in your spray, because thrips love sweet stuff. So when you use some table sugar, mix it up in your spray. When you spray them, they'll come out to get the sugar, and the Captain Jacks will kill them. So if you have any questions, or you want to come talk to me about thrips, put a sample of your problem plant in a little Ziploc bag and bring it to us, and we'll be able to diagnose it, whatever the problem is, and hopefully help you have a happier, healthier garden. Thank you.